Hey friends, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I wanted to do a real life tour of my nightstand drawer, and yeah, you can see how horrible it is. But in my nightstand I only have two drawers. I have the top drawer and then I have this bottom drawer right here, but I won't be showing you the bottom drawer because I keep my unmentionables in here. But this drawer has become unintentionally my junk drawer, and it is bugging me that I let it get this way. When we moved everything into this room, I said I was going to go ahead and organize it, and I didn't. So today is the perfect day to do it, and I am going to show you the system that I am going to start off using. This drawer doesn't pull out a lot, so this is all that I have. So I'm going to clear this out, and then I will come back and show you another step. Okay, so here is the drawer now, and I like it because if I wanted to put my jewelry in here, it has a velvet base, so it's good because it would, you know, prevent jewelry from slipping around, and all that junk that I had at the bottom did move around because of this velvet finish. So I like that, but it's empty. So now I'm going to take out what I absolutely do not need. I am going to vacuum in here and come back in and let you see what I came up with. Behind that drawer is an electrical system. So there's an outlet and there's also plugs for USB. So that prevents a lot of the space back there. So let me just walk you through my nightstand, my newly organized nightstand. So I have this 3-compartment tray. It's a clear tray from Dollar Tree, and let me tell you, everything in here is what I typically grab for anyway, every single night. So that's why it's here. If I didn't grab for it and it was just thrown in here for convenience, I took it away, and I no longer have space for it, so I can't do that anymore. So in the back I have melatonin. I've been keeping that in the drawer, but it's just been thrown in here. Melatonin, and I have this pill case, and this is, I need to go ahead and fill it up with the daily medicines that I have, so that if it's late at night and I don't want to go to my medicine cabinet or my medicine bag, I will have the pills already bedside. I left one open for just whatever. This is the only space I have for whatever, but there are times where I'm laying in bed watching television or on my computer or my phone, and I have my jewelry still on. So if that happens, I can now just put the jewelry in here, and when I see it in here, I know that it needs to be put away. The third compartment is where I'll keep my lip balm. I use this every night, and I also have one on my bathroom counter. I just always keep them everywhere I can possibly be. I have pens for when I'm doing some nighttime journaling, and in the mornings, sometimes my daughter has things for me to sign, and when we're getting dressed, I don't have to look for a pen or go to another room to search for it because it'll be right here. And then when I am listening to podcasts or whatever, and I need earphones, I have a set up here. And I keep the charger attached to this because, you know, I can plug it in behind my nightstand to charge them up. And there's another clear tray, just one compartment, and this is where I keep the items that I moisturize with at night. So I have the good old-fashioned Vaseline. I have my cocoa butter lotion, and I also have some makeup wipes just in case I get lazy, have not taken off my makeup. I can have the wipes right here. Okay, and right here I sleep with an eye mask, and I like to have that ready to go. Let me move that out of the way. Whatever book that I am reading in the evenings, I keep that in my nightstand. I love to have a journal or a notepad in place for, you know, those late night, early morning brain download sessions. So I keep something here to write with. This is my Bible devotion notebook. So whenever I am reading my scriptures, and I'm not going to pull my Bible out, but whenever I'm reading my scriptures, I like to take notes or jot down scriptures that stood out to me or that I want to research a little more. So I keep this handy, or if I want to jot down a prayer. So I'm going to put all these things back while I have you here. Okay. And then over here, I have my trusty Kleenex if I need to, use it for whatever. I have it right here and don't have to go to the restroom for Kleenex. And in the back, I just have some miniature size waters, just in case I get thirsty in the middle of the night and I don't have to travel all the way down to the kitchen. Or if I forget to take my night meds, I have something to take my medicine with. But this is my newly organized drawer. It makes me feel good already to know that I have everything that I need every single night right here, and I don't have to push things back and toss them out. But here it is. It's very simple and to the point. I hope that you like this video. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you stay a while. And be sure to click the notification bell so that you'll be notified of upcoming videos. And until next time, I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.